The global auto industry is on the brink of a seismic shift, a transformation that could redefine the future of transportation as we know it. A new power player has emerged from the east, a force that is poised to challenge the established order. This new contender wields a technological marvel that threatens to overturn decades of American dominance in the automotive sector. This seismic shift is not about software or artificial intelligence alone. It is fundamentally about the heart of the electric vehicle revolution. The battery, the core component that powers the future. The company leading this charge is BYD, a Chinese auto giant that has rapidly ascended the ranks. Its weapon of choice is the Blade battery, a groundbreaking innovation in battery technology. BYD, once dismissed as a mere imitator of Western automakers, has defied expectations. In recent years, it has emerged as a leader in electric vehicle technology, setting new standards for the industry. The Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, boasts superior safety, longevity, and energy density compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, making it a formidable competitor. This is not just a minor improvement, it's a game-changer that could redefine the industry. The Blade battery's impact extends far beyond BYD's own product lineup, influencing the entire market. It has the potential to reshape the entire automotive landscape, setting new benchmarks for performance and safety. This innovation challenges American automakers who have been slow to adapt to the electric revolution, pushing them to innovate or risk obsolescence. This is not just a competitive threat, it's an existential one that could redefine the global auto industry. The future of the American auto industry, and the millions of jobs it supports, hangs in the balance, dependent on how quickly and effectively it can respond to this new challenge. The stakes have never been higher, and the race to dominate the electric vehicle market is on. The Blade battery's secret lies in its unique design and advanced chemistry, setting it apart from traditional battery technologies. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, which typically use a liquid or gel electrolyte to facilitate ion movement, the Blade battery employs a solid electrolyte, a groundbreaking innovation in battery technology. This seemingly small change has profound implications for both safety and performance, revolutionizing how we think about battery design. The solid electrolyte eliminates the risk of thermal runaway, a dangerous chain reaction that can cause fires in traditional lithium-ion batteries, making it a game-changer in terms of safety. This makes the Blade battery inherently safer, a crucial factor for consumers who are increasingly wary of electric vehicle fires and other safety concerns. Furthermore, the solid electrolyte allows for a more compact and space-efficient design, giving the Blade battery a higher energy density, which is essential for modern electric vehicles. This translates into longer driving ranges for electric vehicles, addressing one of the major concerns of potential buyers who are looking for reliability and efficiency. But the advantages don't stop there. The Blade battery offers a multitude of benefits that extend beyond just safety and energy density. The Blade battery also boasts a longer lifespan than its lithium-ion counterparts, making it a more durable and cost-effective option in the long run. With BYD claiming it can withstand over 3,000 charge cycles while retaining 80% of its capacity, the Blade battery sets a new standard for battery longevity. This is significantly higher than the industry average and could drastically reduce the cost of battery replacement, making electric vehicles even more appealing to consumers who are looking for long-term value and reliability. The rise of BYD and its Blade battery has sent shockwaves through Detroit. American automakers, once the undisputed leaders of the global car industry, are now playing catch-up in the electric vehicle race. For decades, they have relied on their expertise in internal combustion engines, failing to invest sufficiently in electric vehicle technology. Now, they face a stark choice: adapt or die. The Blade battery's superior performance and lower cost pose a direct threat to American automakers' competitiveness. If they cannot close the technology gap, they risk being left behind in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. This is not just a matter of market share. It's about the survival of an industry that is deeply intertwined with the American economy and identity. Section 4. The Art of the Deal, Battery Edition. The emergence of BYD as a global force in the electric vehicle market has not gone unnoticed in Washington. The Trump administration, with its America First agenda, has viewed China's technological rise with suspicion and hostility. The blade battery, seen as a symbol of China's growing dominance in a strategically important industry, has only intensified these concerns. Trump, never one to shy away from a trade war, has hinted at imposing tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles and batteries, including the blade battery. His administration has also accused BYD of unfair trade practices, alleging intellectual property theft and government subsidies. These accusations, while lacking concrete evidence, reflect the growing anxiety in Washington about China's economic and technological might. Section 5. Can Silicon Valley save Detroit? As Detroit grapples with the challenge posed by BYD, it is increasingly looking to Silicon Valley for help. American tech giants like Tesla, Apple, and Google have made significant strides in electric vehicle technology and battery development. Their expertise in software, artificial intelligence, and battery management systems could be crucial for American automakers seeking to close the gap with BYD. However, this partnership is not without its challenges. The cultures of Silicon Valley and Detroit are vastly different, with contrasting approaches to innovation, risk-taking, and corporate structure. Bridging this divide will require a willingness to compromise and collaborate, something that has not always come naturally to these two iconic American industries. Section 6. The Union fights back. The rise of electric vehicles and the threat from Chinese companies like BYD have created significant anxiety among American auto workers. The United Auto Workers, a powerful labor union that represents workers in the American auto industry, has voiced serious concerns about job losses as electric vehicles require fewer parts and less labor to assemble than traditional gasoline-powered cars. The UAW has called for government support to protect American auto jobs and ensure a just transition to an electric vehicle future. They have demanded investments in comprehensive worker training programs, tax breaks for companies that manufacture electric vehicles in the United States, and stricter trade policies to protect American automakers from aggressive foreign competition. Section 7. The road ahead. The emergence of BYD and its blade battery marks a significant turning point in the global auto industry, signaling a shift towards more sustainable and efficient energy solutions. It is a stark reminder that the road to the future of mobility will be paved with relentless technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible, and that the United States can no longer take its dominance for granted in this rapidly evolving landscape. The American auto industry, once a proud symbol of American industrial might and ingenuity, now faces an existential challenge that could redefine its future. Whether Detroit, the heart of America's automotive legacy, can rise to this formidable challenge remains to be seen. Success will require a combination of cutting-edge technological innovation, strategic partnerships with global leaders, and robust government support to foster growth and resilience. The road ahead will be long and arduous, filled with obstacles and uncertainties, but the stakes have never been higher for the industry and the nation. The future of the American auto industry, a cornerstone of the nation's economy and the millions of jobs it supports, hangs in the balance, awaiting the next chapter in this unfolding story.